to a standard ton. We all know a standard ton is 2,000 pounds. A long ton is just a little more, 2,240 pounds. Beside the Dronach Speedy to our right this morning is another U.S. warship, and that Dronach is Hull 66, which is named the USS Gonzalez. That's an Arleigh Burr-class guided missile destroyer. Ships of the Arleigh Burr class, like the Gonzalez, are state-of-the-art. They've been equipped with the world's most advanced naval weapon system, known as Aegis. There are over 60 of the class in the fleet today. A ship like this is designed with an emphasis to defend a battle group from airstrike, but yet versatile. That ship can strike land-based targets from hundreds of miles away, engage and destroy enemy surface ships and submarines, but specializing primarily in air defense. A little later this afternoon at the Naval Station, we'll be pointing out to you several ships identical to the Gonzalez. We'll go into greater detail about the capabilities of the ships as well as the weapon systems that they carry. You may recall that in the month of April, towards the latter part of that month, the United States Navy launched Tomahawk cruise missiles into Syria. They were launched from two Norfolk-based guided missile destroyers, the USS Ross and USS Porter, which, by the way, are identical to the ship we're looking at to our right in Dronach, the Gonzalez. In more recent news, just a little over a couple of weeks ago, a collision at sea between an Arleigh Burr-class guided missile destroyer named USS Fitzgerald with a container ship. The collision taking place off the coast of Japan. A tremendous amount of damage to the U.S. warship Fitzgerald and also loss of life. 7 crew members on the ship lost their lives in that collision. And collision's under investigation at this time, still trying to determine who was at fault in that collision between the container ship and the Fitzgerald. Further to our right, we'll also see the Berkeley Bridge coming into view, and that bridge is part of the bridge tunnel link between Norfolk and Portsmouth. The Berkeley Bridge to our right spans the eastern branch of the Elizabeth River. The tunnel goes under the southern branch of the Elizabeth, which is located right behind us. Now, to the left of that bridge and ahead of us is some of the redevelopment of downtown Norfolk. The tallest building on the Norfolk waterfront to your right is the Bank of America building, which stands at 27 stories. Also ahead of us on our right, the Waterside Sheraton Hotel. Almost directly ahead of us, a building with a gray roof, which is Waterside, a festival marketplace that was initially built here in the early 1980s. Several years ago, the city of Norfolk closed the building down. But over the past several months, Waterside has been undergoing some renovations by a company called the Cornish Corporation. This company specializing in revitalizing rocks projects like the one to your right that began several months ago with a partial demo of the building. They have since added restaurants and stores, and Waterside officially opened about a month and a half ago. Now it's the Waterside District. Once again, though, a very nice entertainment facility. We'll see probably throughout the trip today a lot of high performance